What course would you recommend for cyber? What course would I recommend for cyber? If you're starting off from scratch, if starting off from absolute nothing, then what I would recommend is CompTIA A plus. Before you even start that, though, what you want to do is go to YouTube. If you got to figure out if you even want to do this stuff, okay? Number one, just figure out if you want to do it, because this is not for everybody. This is not for everybody. Like, you might get into it. I don't know if you've ever, like me, I like to try different things. I'll see something like programming. I tried programming. I didn't like it. I was like, man, could I do it? Yes, I could, but I wasn't good at it. I was frustrated by it. And then the finished product, I didn't like the finished product. It worked. Like, it made me some money. I made some app. And in the end, like, it took me 3 months to make some shitty app that I put on Google and Apple. And then I paid another dude to redo it for me. And this dude did it in 3 days. He did the same thing I did in 3 days. I'm like, I'm not. Another thing is art, is painting. Like, everybody can paint, but not everybody's gonna be good at it. It might take me 3 weeks to do. The first time I seen this, I can draw pretty good, or at least I thought I could, until I was in high school and I went to a comic book convention, my first comic book convention. I'm a bit of a nerd. And I went to a comic book convention. I saw one of my favorite artists, my favorite comic book artists. And my friends, I had 2 friends with me, and these guys were like, yeah, I could draw way better than them. I was 10 times better than them. And I was like 15, 14. I could draw the characters and stuff and comic books and stuff and things. Thought I was good. So I went to the comic book convention. I can't remember where it was. I want to say it was in the Bay Area somewhere. And my friend's father, he took us all there. And we went, and there was this line in front of this artist named Ron Lim. Ron Lim this man is brilliant. He's a genius artist, a penciler. And I went and saw him draw. And this man drew I'm not even exaggerating, in 1 minute, he drew something I could not draw in a week. And after that, I was like, I don't think I'm an artist. I was like, what the? This dude, he just like, and then he had this Spider-Man was like swinging, and I was like, I could never draw that. I was a pretty good artist too, but I was like, I'm not passionate enough to get that good at it. So I'm like, so what a lesson that was. You might not want to, my point is, you might not want to do cybersecurity. It might not be for you, to be honest. Like, you might be like, this isn't for me. This is not what I want to do. So just go to YouTube, go to free courses, check out some free courses, check out free stuff. And if you're going through it and you're falling asleep, like, I can't, like, if you just can't stay awake during these courses, you're not excited about it, you don't want to do it, you can't stay awake long enough to learn basic concepts, man, do something else. Try program management, project management. I always call it project. It's project management. Try project management. It pays as good or better than what we do here. So try that.